Here's a 2014 Jeep Patriot. This is an SUV with a restless spirit for adventure and fun. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: external memory control, power heated mirrors, air conditioning, automatic transmission, metallic paint, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Motor Trend explains that off-road is where the Patriot separates itself from the rest of the compact crossover set. Its capability was a pleasant surprise. The Jeep life fits your life. Experience it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.